lemon fried chicken, charcoal, Mediterranean salad, honey mustard dressing. Let's go!
And the chicken he made is delicious.
Everything starts with the marinade. Lemon zest, lemon juice, fresh parsley, thyme, cumin, salt, pepper, oregano, chilli flakes, garlic, all into a blender. Pulse. Some additional olive oil to loosen it up. Score your chicken thighs here. Marinate them for at least 2 hours in the fridge, or overnight is better. Crushed garlic, salt, pepper, lemon juice, honey, Dijon mustard, and shake. Add your olive oil, close it again and shake. Done. Charcoal's on, flame on. Get ready to plate. Chicken med salad, honey mustard dressing. This is Dine with Dij.
Yummy.
Tastes lemon. This is so good. That, ladies and gentlemen, is how you dine with Dij and win a league.
And the chicken he made is delicious.
The cucumber hunting. Here's to the Arsenal winning the league. See you at the next one.